guys, I'll gonna open my GBC. Mama lang. He'll gonna tell me the name. What happened if I don't know? Ay. What are you doing? Hey, yo. Donating more. Pleasing money. Go there. Mama, can you open? Mama, it's so hard to open.
Wait lang.
Wait lang, Mama. You tell me the name if I don't know.
Ano nito kasi? No, like this.
Like ni Papa?
No, baliktad. Here, you start here. Then going down like that.
That, then,
Ano? Sarap. Open yan. Open. You can open now.
oh. You tell me the name, Mama, so I know.
Tangan mo. Wait, back lang yun. Smooth.
Smooth?
Yes. Wait. Oh, the free little rosary na.
Black leather.
Oh, adapi ko yung sticker. Thank you sticker mo.
St. Andrew.
Ito pa yung ano niya.
Rosary.
Wait. Yep. You can keep.
Rosary. And black
Free.
leather.
Oh, the free na. Get it. Slowly. Hanapin log mo. Dati Castina, booklet na. Yes, may ano ito, black magic.
Yes.
Saint Andrew.
This is St. Andrew, one of the apostles of Jesus Christ.
Very good. One of the apostles.
This is one of the apostles of Jesus. St. Andrew. He was crucified with the cross. Bye guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.